Get ready for a dose of cuteness as this tiny tot steals your heart with her adorable bike ride show. She's a tiny adventurer on two wheels, riding with joy. In her cozy cute costume, every bike ride becomes a moment of pure joy and style. She's the star of the most adorable ride around town. Who knew this little sugar plum could bring so much happiness with each turn of the wheels? She's the true definition of joy on wheels and a pure bundle of happiness. Keep watching to witness her treasure trove of cute rides.